Okay, so we want to remove this stain by using Hoover carpet deep cleaner. So you can see these stains, and our kitchen carpet is also dirty. Scratch, we are going to show you how we are assembling this. This goes here. This is locked now, so we can easily remove it and we can clean it afterwards. This is our water collector, dirty water collector. So it's just this one lever. We are going to push this lever to connect this. Then here we have, okay, we heard that sound, that means it's locked. Now we have this container. Here we have two tabs. Shorter one is for the detergent and this is for the clean water. We are going to fill this with the clean water, and you can see here, and we are going to fill this with a little bit of Tide. We are going to use the soap. We are going to use wash, so we are going to put this first here. Then after washing, we are going to use rinse, and all the dirty water will be collected here, and we can unlock this container by using this lever, and we can pour down the dirty water. And after we are done with carpet cleaning, we can remove all these stuff to clean. Let me show you the brushes. So these are the round brushes which are going to move like this, and you can see some carpet lint here because we have already used it and it is pretty great. So we are going to pour hot water in the left hole, that is for the water, and you can see it is going filling here. Now we are going to use our Tide. So this knob is to attach this part of the carpet cleaner. So how to start this? This is the lever. If we are going to press it, then we can see it's working. Can you press it? Okay guys, so I'm pouring out this dirty water. You just have to pull this. Knob was on the wash cycle. Now we are going to rotate the knob to rinse cycle. So what it is going to do, it is going to soak all the dirty water or the detergent water. So let's go on.